is the first day of 2022 class, but online class. After the new year, because they think that people are not safe, or students are not safe to go to school, to come to school, then we are given 14 days to have this class online. So I, for example, will go to school once a week to do the online here. And the students will come back after 2 weeks, after 14 days. Charot. Pero ang teacher, once a week. Kung ano yung gate duty mo, yun yung pagpunta mo sa school. Kaya ako, nagkataon ng Miyerkules yung gate duty ko. So, pupunta ako dito sa school ng Miyerkules at dito ako magtuturo. Pero bukas, Thursday and Friday, tsaka Lunes tsaka Martes, mag-online class ako sa bahay. Work from home. Wednesday lang ako mag-work sa school. Yan. Pero walang mga bata. Okay? No students. So, tahimik. Hello, once again, this is You Must See This, and you are watching me. Say hi, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello, teacher.
ก็ดินมันคุณแม่เขามาถามหาหรือว่ายังไงต้องถามนี้ก่อนอ๋อมีของดินไหม Teacher excuse me I need to check about the dim notebook what is its name นะดิน
Who, teacher?
ดินกันอะไรสักอย่าง
Dim.
ดิมกันติทัศน์มีไหม
Dim is grade 3. Grade 3/7.
4/6 teacher ดิมมีไหมเดี๋ยวดูก่อนมีไม่โต๊ะไม่มีโต๊ะไม่มีของเลยใต้โต๊ะพิรันรัตน์ศิลาชัด
I have only 4.
ทันทารานาซาโนไม่ thank you teacher
You're welcome.
บอกเขาว่าไม่มีขอบคุณค่ะแฟน thank you teacher
Hello, Cedric. How are you, Cedric? So, are you waiting for the episode 10 of Bad Body series? Oh, hello, good morning. How are you, everyone? You should be much fine, not a little bit fine. Have you done with your first subject in the morning? What was it? What was it? PE. So what do you usually do if you are studying PE online? Do you cannot run outside, you cannot jump outside. So what does your teacher teach? How to how to sit up or how to count, how many counts, something like that. Okay. Well, today I'm going to just see you who are present here, and that is your attendance already. So, okay, Kon is present, Tin is present, Baibun is present, Banas, Japun, Ninja, Nene, Peach, Baitong, Jeda, Tantikat or Din, Injin or Akira, M, Taito, Kanchaya. What's the nickname of Kanchaya? Ah, Kanchao. Okay, smile. Kutawan. How about Kutawan? Who is Kaujahar? Ano? Kaujahar. Kaujahar. Okay. How about Kutawan? What's your nickname? Kutawan. Smile is present. Gang is present. Concal is present. Pingpong is present. Fan is present. Pride is present. Namo is present. Nachat. What's Nachat's nickname? And also we have Supakon. What's Supakon's nickname? Supakon. Who is Supakon? Also. Okay. So today we're going to just continue our lesson, which is subtracting two fractions with different denominators. Yesterday I had a problem with my laptop with grade 4/7. So now you're lucky because I'm here in the school because the internet now is okay. So now I want you to just listen to teacher. Is that okay? Okay, so you can have your notebooks and you can write notes, important notes. So you know already how to subtract a fraction from a whole number. I remember that, right? Subtracting a fraction from a whole number. What part was that? Part, part 5, right? Okay, so example. Can we have example? Our first example before we go to just a review. Okay, so let's say 7 minus yes, some notebooks are here. Notebooks of Pirunrat, notebook of Ninja, notebook of Tankara, and notebook of Eva of 4/7. Okay, now we're going to answer 7 minus 3/5. How to answer 7 minus 3/5? Of course, it depends on the denominator of the second fraction, right? Okay, so the first, so since that is 5, so since that is 5, we are going to make 7 as 6 and 5, 6 and 5, 5. Yes or no? Yes, yes or no? Yes or no? What? Someone is noisy outside. No, don't mind him. Okay, so 6 and 5/5 is equal to 7. Do you agree with teacher? 7 is actually 6 and 5 fifths, right? Because 5 or 5 fifths is 1. So 6 and 1 is 7, right? Okay. So again, why I choose 5 over 5? Why I choose 5? Because of the denominator 5 of the second fraction. Okay? Now we are ready to answer. To answer this is equal to 6 minus 0. There's no whole number part. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, and then 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And 5, do we subtract 5 and 5? No. Just remain number 5 or copy number 5. And this is the final answer. Do you understand? Especially those who were absent last time. What about if my question is like this? 7 minus 3, 9. What 7 becomes of? 7 becomes 6 and very good. Why? Because of number 9, right? Okay, and 6, 9 over 9 is 1. 6 and 1. So 6 and 1 is 7. So 3 9s. Now you are ready to subtract 9 minus 3. So 6, no, 6 and 6 9s. But you notice that 6 and 9 has common factor, which is 3, right? So that is 6 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So final answer is 6 and 2/3. Who understand? Okay, so another way of answering our first example is this. In 7 minus 3 fifths, if you don't like the first equation answer or working method, you can use like this. 7 is actually 7 over 1 minus 3 fifths, because automatically a whole number denominator is 1, right? And the LCD of 5 and 1 is 5, right? Right? So 1 times 5 and 7 times 5, 35 over 5, right? Okay, so this is 35. So 7 becomes 35 over 5, or 7 is equivalent to 35 over 5. Do you remember the word equivalent? Yes, and then 3 fifths is the same as 3 fifths, right? So now 35 minus 3 is 32 over 5. This is an improper fraction, right? So you are going to do the scratch paper. 30. How many 35? How many 5 are there in 32? 6. That's 30. So 32 minus 30. 2. Okay, 6 and 2 fifths. So you notice that the answer of our number 1 working is the same as this. Okay? Or remember? Okay. Okay, how about this one? Our example number 2. Let's use the other working method. Our example number 2 is 7 minus 3 ninths is equal to. Okay, what is the equivalent of 7 if it's 9? 7 over 1. 7 over 1 minus 3 over 9. And the LCD or the korono is 9. Okay, 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Right? Do you know? Because this is 9 times this is 9. So 7 times 9 is 63, right? Okay. I hope you understand what I am talking about. Okay. Now, 3 nines remains the same. Now, 63 minus 3 is 60 and 9. So, how many nines are there in 60? 6. Because 9 times 6 is 54. And then 60 minus 54 is 4. Right? Okay, 4. 6 and 4, 9. And then this, oh, why we have different answer? Let us find out which is wrong. 7 minus 3, 9. 60 over 9. What is 60 over 9? 9 times 6 is, this 4. Okay, see? If you are careless like teacher Chris, you will be wrong. Right? Okay, very good, Taibun. 6, 9 is 6 and 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And now we finally get the same answer as our example number 2. Who understood now how to subtract a fraction from whole number? Okay, now look at your textbook and you have on page 88, everybody, page 88, textbook page 88. Look at page 88. Have you opened your textbook already? Have you turned to page 88? Okay, what's the title? Okay, so that is, you get your notebook, write the title. The title is part 6. Is it part 6 already? Part 6, right? Part 6. You're going to write subtracting a fraction, subtracting a fraction from a mixed number, Okay, that's our lesson today. Okay, so teacher is teaching super slow because I want you to understand every detail. I don't want to teach very fast because not all my students are as smart as other students. So I should be slow. Okay, number 1. My first example is 2 and 1/4 minus 1/2. It's in the textbook. So our first example is 2 and 1/4 minus 1/2. Okay, so 2 and 1/4 is a mixed number, right? And 1/2 is a proper fraction. So what should we do? So we are going to consider only the fraction 1/4 and 1/2, right? Because 2 is a whole number. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Right? So we are going to write 2. And we are going to subtract only 1/4 minus 1/2. So what is 1/4 and 1/2? What is 1/4 and 1/2? 1/4 minus 1/2. What is 1/4 and 1/2? So, mhm, 2/4. So, you have to write plus. Even you cannot see plus, you have to write plus, okay? So that's the proper working. 2 plus, because 1/4 minus 1/2, okay? And then after that, 2 plus, okay, what is the LCD of 4 and 2? What is the LCD of 4 and 2? 4, very good, very good. So 1/4 is the same as 1/4. 1/2, what is the equivalent of 1/2? Very good. Now, you notice that 1 minus 2 cannot be, right? Cannot be. So what should you do? So in this part, you are going to borrow 2. You need to return to 2 and 1/4. What is 2 and 1/4? Improper fraction. What is the 2 and 1/4? What is 2 and 1/4? 2 and 1/4 minus 2/4. No, it's 9/4. Bible, 9/4. 9/4. Right? So 9/4 minus 2/4. What is 9/4 minus 2/4? Do you think 9 can be subtracted by 2 now? 9 minus 2 now is 7/4. And 7/4 is now equal to 1 and 3/4. This is our final answer. Look at your textbook. Is the answer in our textbook 1 and 3/4? So I don't like this working. I don't like this working. So I'm going to show you another. I'm going to show you another working. The other working is this. Okay, suppose 2 and 1/4 minus 1/2. First step is you have to change 2 and 1/4 right away to mix to improper fraction. So what is the improper fraction of 2 and 1/4? 9/4 minus 1/2. Who understand? Okay, very good. And then you can do like this. There should be equals, okay? So what is the LCD of 4 and 2? What is the LCD of 4 and 2? 4. Okay. So 9/4 minus what 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. And 9 minus 2 is 7/4. And 7/4 is 1 and 3/4. Final answer. I will give you 1 minute to copy. Finish. Okay, so can we have examples coming from you? Can I erase now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hurry, Jose. Okay. Question number 2 is who wants to give teacher Chris a mixed number? Bible. Okay. What is the mixed number, Bible? Oh, wait. Okay, number 2. Okay, get your notebook. You write 3 and 1/3. That's what you said, right? Minus 1/2. Okay, I like your example. Now, so what is the first step? The easy one. Change or convert into improper. Very good. 10/3 or 10/3 minus 1/2. Very good. Say 1/2. 1/2 has a 1/2 has a special name. 1/2. So what is the LCD or corno of 3 and 2? Are you sure? Okay, very good. So why only 2 students is answering? How about the others? I think that if they are not answering, they don't understand what we are talking about. So you have to say also yes. Okay? Everybody say yes. Come on, turn on your mic. Yes. Okay. I heard by Tom. Okay. So the LCD of 3 and 2 is 6. Now, why 6 why 3 becomes 6? What did we multiply at the back of our minds? 3 times 2, right? So 10 times 2 is 20/6, right? Okay, very good. So 10/3 is equivalent to 20/6. How about 1/2? 1/2 is equivalent to what? Huh? Why? Why? Because we multiply by, very good. 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. Very good. Now, can we subtract now? Because they have the same denominator, right? They have the same denominator now. So that's our rule number 1. We can only add or subtract if they have the same denominator or if they are similar fractions. Now, 20 minus 3 is 17. And 17/6 is, how many 6 are there in 17? 2, and that gives us 12, right? So 17 minus 12, 5. So 2 and 5, 6. And then you pause for a while and you have to think if 5 and 6 has common factor. If no more common factor, then this is our final answer. Very good. Do you understand? Okay, next. By Noine, are you listening to teacher? Can you give me a mixed number, please? 4 and 2 fifths minus, okay, give me a proper fraction. 1/3. Oh, very nice example again. Okay, now 4 and 2 fifths, convert that into improper fraction. What is the improper fraction of 4 and 2 fifths? Everyone, and you can answer. Come on. 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 20. 20 plus 2. Oh, 22. So 4 and 2 fifths is 22 fifths minus 1/3. Okay. Next, what is the LCD of 5 and 3? Uh-huh. 50. Okay. So 5 becomes 15 because we multiply 3, right? Okay, so what is 22 times 3? 22 times 3. 66. 66. 22/15 is 66/15. And how about y3 becomes 5 over 15. Very fast. 1/3 is 5 over 15. Very good. So 66 minus 5. 61 over 15. Okay, now you pause for a while. You have to begin with or start with number 2. Is 2 a common factor of 61 and 15? No. Or, no, this is improper. So how many 15 are there in 61? 15 plus 15, 30. 30, 45. 60. So 4. 4. So that's 60, right? So 4 and 1, 15. Right? Okay. So I think you can use the other method, but you are lucky if it's easy, like 4 and 2/5 minus 1/3. Just like what I started a while ago, you only think of this. Okay? So 4 plus 2/5 minus 1/3. Let's try. Only try. Do not copy anymore. Okay? So that's because the smaller the numbers are, the easier and the faster to solve, right? Do you believe me? Okay, so now what is the LCD of 5 and 3 again? That's 15. Okay, so it's just playing a game, very easy. So 2/5 is equivalent to 6 over 15. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, and 1/3 is equivalent to 5/15. Okay, and you notice that 4 plus 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? Look at this. Look at this. Now this part where 6 minus 5 is 1 over 15. And we learned I think that's part 4 or part 3, how to add a whole number and a fraction. Just copy 4 and 1 over 15, right? Okay, so same answer. So you're lucky if 6 can be subtracted by 5. But sometimes if you use this method, sometimes, for example, 4 over 15 minus 5 over 15, 4 minus 5 may die. So it's better to use the surest. The surest method is this. Right? Japun, Baibun, M. That's the surest method. Right? Because you are not going to adjust anymore in the middle of the working. Right? Okay. Question number 5. I like Namo. Where's Namo? Where is Namo? Yes. Yes. Where is Namo? Hello, Namo. Yes. You write number 4. We are going to copy only up to 5 examples today, na? Okay. Only up to number 5. Okay, too much. Okay. I like Namo to give me the 4th example. Namo, where is Namo? Okay, Namo, give me a mixed number. Yes. 6 and 3. Okay, you like number 5. Minus, give me a proper fraction. 7 over 9. 15. Very easy. I can see now. So what is the LCD of 5 and 15? I think we will use the second method. I think the second method is better this time. Can we try the second method? Yes, yes. Can we try the second method, like 6 plus, and then hello? Can we try so this is number 4, sorry, I will rewrite. What was that again? 6 and 3/5 minus, okay. So just like what I was saying a while ago, because we are interrupted by the end of that 40 minutes Zoom time. So what about if we are going to use our second working style, which is you have to make 6 as a standby number, right? Standby number 6. Wait for us, number 6. Okay, wait for us, number 6, because we are going to take care of 3 and 5, 3/5 and 7/15. And the LCD of 3, 5, and 7/15 is what? 15, right? That's right. Okay. So 3/5 becomes 9/15, right? And 7. Okay, so you notice that the answer is 6. I will shorten the process. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 15. Oh, you're lucky because 9 can be subtracted by 7. But going back to our original working style, like 6 and 3/5 minus 7/15, if you are going to convert 6 and 3/5 into improper fraction, that is 33/5 minus 7/15, right? You notice that it is a huge number now, or bigger number now, right? So the LCD is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. 33 times 3 is 99. Right? It's becoming huge number, right? Minus 7. Okay, 99 minus 7. Oh my God. It's 92/15. How many 15 are there in 92? Oh my God. 92 divided by 15. It's like 6. 6 times 30. That's 9. Oh, 6 and 2, 15. Okay, Bible, I think Bible is ready. Very, very ready to have our quiz. Overall quiz. Like all operations of fractions, all the parts, all the kinds, like addition, subtraction, from part 1 to part 5 already, right? By good? But before teacher quiz give the final quiz, let's have all the parts, okay? Now, before we end our Zoom class, number 5, who wants to give an example? Eh, oh no, Bible, you give chance to others. M, I think M. M. Make sure it's an easy one so that we will finish quickly. Easy example. What about M? 7 and 5 again? 5 again. Minus Okay, I will give the easy one. 120 feet.ได้ไหม? Okay, okay. Okay, so can we try? I don't want to convert 7 and 4/5 into a bigger, into improper because I think that's become 39/5. It's a big number, right? So I just use 7 and then what is the LCD of 5 and 25? Okay, so I will use this. So 4/5 becomes what? Woohoo! I think Jokun is also very ready for the final test. Okay, next. So 7 is 7, right? 7 is standby. Woo! And then 20 minus 1 is 9. Done. So that's all for today. So I hope that you write important notes, or I hope that you wrote the 5 examples that we had today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students, thank you for listening to Teacher Chris. Until then, until tomorrow again. I think tomorrow we're going to study how to subtract two mixed numbers, and then no more. Finish all the parts. Okay? I'm so excited. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to study subtracting two mixed numbers. Okay. So bye-bye, students. You can leave now. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for listening to teacher. If you're ready, if you're ready.